What could you still be praying for? Because you have the Oscar, you have the fame, you have the money, you've had
Those
the...
Yeah, but I never prayed for any of those either.
Okay.
No way. I'd feel like a fraud praying for that. Again, I think that would be a white collar prayer, where God's going, I got real stuff to try and handle. You know what I mean? I pray for the health of my family. I pray for myself to be the type of father that can maintain a healthy family unit. I pray for to have the patience to sometimes be what I would call a better husband. I pray for the discernment to listen and try to make the choices that can feed me and my family and life going forward. To make decisions that will pay me back for the long term, for the long haul. And for the decisions those decisions that can pay me back also, where are those also the ones that can pay the most people?